Sticky barbecue chicken or sweet potato, pick your hero, on a bed of fresh greens with lime pickled onions, cheese, tomato, and black beans. Let's get started. Brush your chicken or sweet potato with your favorite barbecue sauce. Then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. For your pickled onions, squeeze over the juice of half a lime, hit it with a pinch of salt and toss together. Let it rest while the chicken cooks. Time to cook. Pop your chicken in the air fryer at 188 Celsius for 8 minutes. Pull your chicken out. It should be glazed and juicy and cooked all the way through. If you're not sure, just cut it open to check. Wrap your sweet potato in foil, then pop it in the air fryer at 199 Celsius for 25 minutes. Once your chicken is rested for 5 minutes, it should be cooked all the way through and the juices should run clear when you slice it. If it's not cooked all the way through, simply pop it back in your Vortex Mini for 2 minutes. Unwrap your sweet potato. It should be soft and sticky and cooked all the way through. Let's build our barbecue bowls. For the chicken, start with a base of salad greens, then top with cherry tomatoes, black beans, and your juicy sliced chicken. Finish off with your lime pickled red onion and your favorite cheese. Hit your chicken with a nice squeeze of lime juice. Delicious. Do the same for your sweet potato. Add your cherry tomatoes, black beans, pickled red onions, and cheese. You can use vegan cheese if keeping it vegan, then hit everything with a touch of lime. You can garnish with microgreens if you're feeling a little bit fancy. Bon appetit, and thank you for joining Instant Brands.